everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to cut audio in CapCut Audio Cutting Easy CapCut tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open in a project onto your CapCut app or simply create a new file and add in the things that you want to see onto your video. So for example, your clip, you need to import that, and if you have your own audio, import that one as well. So simply click onto the import button in here to go ahead and browse onto your different files, or simply drag and drop the files in here to add this here onto your timeline. Now to add them, simply click onto the blue button in here. And for our audio, I don't have an audio sample in here. We're going to use an audio that is provided by Capcut. Simply click onto audio in here, and there are a lot of music that are available in here free to use. Now to add them, you'll just need to go ahead and simply download them and click onto the blue icon to add them here onto the timeline. Now for us to be able to cut the video in here, what we need to do is we need to hover where we want to cut the video. For example, this part. So the same thing with the video. So this is how you do it for a video as well. So we have here the split, the delete left or delete right. So what you could do, we could split that one out to go ahead and split the video, and we could remove or delete this immediately. But there are a lot of options as well. Like we could try this one out. We could delete it from left, or we could do the same thing like click onto the audio and delete it from right. So as you can see, we have simply cut the video, or you could simply click onto the split item and then click onto the delete option to remove that one. And that is how easy you cut an audio in CapCut. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.